Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about the millets. Number 1. Millets are a group of small, round whole grains. Number 2. They have high nutritional value. Number 3. They are gluten-free grains. Number 4. Millets are also known as sports grains. Number 5. They are grown in many parts of the world. Number 6. They can be used in a variety of dishes. Number 7. They are a good source of protein, fiber and vitamins. Number 8. They are also a good source of antioxidants. Number 9. They can be grown in a variety of climates and soil conditions. Number 10. They are a good choice for people who are looking for a healthy diet. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.